Hello, I want to talk with you about an emergency and saving life device. It's the Earthquake Detector Alarm PGS-047. How does it work? Simple. It will buzz a loud sound that will alert you immediately before the destructive earthquake waves come to your place. This device is designed to be high quality, and its usefulness is especially during overnight hours when you are sleeping and therefore you are in a high risk to be a victim of a strong earthquake. So it cannot be triggered by any surrounding or other vibrations. It only detects the quake's waves, and when the event is passed, it automatically turns off again. Very easy installation, and it does not need calibration like others currently in the market. It comes with factory pre-installed 2 AAA batteries, so it is only from the box to your wall.